हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू हसन एसएससी वाला। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग डे 19 का ईडियम फ्रेजेस देखने वाले हैं। एंड हियर वी गो। द सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज टेकन फ्रॉम 255 ऑफ अल्टीमेट इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी बाय शानू रावत सर, अड्डा 24/7 ई बुक। द ईडियम एंड फ्रेजेस हियर आर बेस्ड ऑन एंथुसियाज्म। फर्स्ट ईडियम इज लाइव वायर। लाइव वायर। सो लाइव वायर में क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करंट दौड़ता है। So it is represented for those who are enthusiastic person who have the ability to do his task very properly in a effective manner. So live wire is for enthusiastic person. Next idiom is all agog, means excited. All agog. All agog means excited, enthusiastic, eager to know. Uh, Eager to know and eager to see more, means enthusiastic. Agog, all agog. The word is bit tricky, I'm finding it, that's why I'm bolding it. All agog. All agog means everything. All agog means all agog. All means all of the thing. He is excited and he wants to know about all of the thing. All agog means all of the thing he wants to explore. He is excited and enthusiastic and eager to know and eager to see more. All above. Next idiom is let one's hair down. And in previous idiom of hair we have seen that let one's hair on or let it be down. Let one's hair down means feel relaxed and enjoy yourself. Be relaxed and enjoy yourself. Be relaxed and enjoy yourself means be calm, patient. And next idiom is all one's might and main, means full of capability and energy. Because might is mighty, all mighty. One's mighty, and main is important. Main is the important thing, and mighty is also, mighty means capable, full of capable. One's mighty is capable, and main is energy. That means full of capability and energy. Full of capability and energy. Mighty is the one who is capable and energetic. Full of beans means very energetic. Full of beans is very energetic. The one who eat beans, Mr. Bean, is very energetic. Full of energetic. Go bananas over excited about something. Go bananas over excited over something. Here to learn this idiom of go bananas over, we can imagine a situation of any gymmer. What gymmer do? They eat bananas. So they eat bananas. So they get excited about the gym and eating more over bananas. Going bananas over means eating more bananas. So if he is eating bananas, he is more excited. He is excited about something. He is excited about the gym. He is excited about building his body. That's why he is going more banana over. Go banana over. And the last idiom is in high spirit, means full of enthusiasm. If anyone's spirit is high, how's the spirit high? If spirit is high, then he is in full enthusiasm. And he is dedicated for his work. So here's the end of today's idiom phrase. Meet you in the next video.